Hey guys, welcome to today's Veganuary special.
Yeah, we're wearing the same clothes from yesterday because it's today.
Yes. So today we want to talk to you about some of our favorite vegan snacks.
And I believe all of these are also gluten-free
Oh.
and nut-free, except for like maybe
A few
just two or
things here and
three.
there.
Yeah, but we'll show you those.
Awesome.
What's your number one favorite snack? If you were on a desert island and you could only have one snack, what would it be?
Ooh, that's tricky.
Right?
Oh,
I know what I would pick.
I think I would pick these. The Off the Eaten Path Veggie Crisps. That was really loud. The Off the Eaten Path Veggie
Those
Crisps.
are delicious and so good for you.
I eat way too many though, and then it becomes not good for you.
They're chock full of chickpeas and purple sweet potatoes and all kinds of goodness.
Yes, and even though these are already made of chickpeas, I like to take it one step further and dip them into hummus.
Would you like some chickpeas with your chickpeas?
Yeah, I love chickpeas. This is my favorite flavor of hummus in any brand, like any brand that does caramelized onion.
Yeah.
Oh, obsessed.
So
I love it.
Good.
Let me just get this in focus so you guys can see. There you go.
Yeah.
Yes, love it.
Love that one. I wasn't a big fan of hummus when I first went vegan. It kind of had to grow on me.
Yeah.
But that caramelized onion just goes down so easy.
Yeah. I think I first started to get into hummus when I went abroad.
Yeah.
And then I just had to have it.
Yep. I had to pick one. It would be these hippies.
Oh, so good.
These are like delicious, good for you Cheetos.
And this is like a white cheddar flavor.
Yes, but I think they have like 4 or 5 different flavors. They're like really all winners though. So good.
The dogs are getting so excited with all
I
these
know,
snacks
they're like,
out.
hey,
Oh,
when you guys have snacks, you usually give us some.
that's so cute.
All right.
Sorry, babies.
What would you pick as your second?
For versatility, I would probably go with the pretzel crisps. I also
This obviously isn't gluten-free, but they do
Yeah.
have gluten-free pretzels.
right. I also dip these in the hummus a lot, but I also, when I need a little extra boost, like to dip them into some creamy peanut butter.
Creamy natural peanut butter.
Yeah, I like this one because it doesn't have a bunch of like added ingredients.
Right.
So yeah, I love this.
It's good.
So good.
If I had to choose, it would be popcorn.
Yeah, you're really hooked on
popcorn.
that.
I not only like regular popcorn, I love kettle corn. In fact, kettle corn is my all-time favorite.
Right.
It's kind of like caramel corn light, which is good because don't get me near any caramel corn. I will inhale it.
Just turn on the switch in the back of your head.
Yes. In a similar vein, we got these crunchy rice rolls here.
Ooh.
We got these at Aldi. They're not available all the time. These are probably for Lunar New Year. They had these. So one of my favorite things, because it's kind of like caramel corn in a stick, but it's rice.
Right.
All right, so we've got your standard fruit and veg as well. I like to have an orange sometimes.
Or an apple, but we don't have any apples right now.
Well,
or you just got some.
I just got some. And I especially like baby carrots when I'm cooking, because when I'm cooking dinner, sometimes I get really hungry because it's close to dinner time.
And you're dealing with food. You want to eat.
But I don't want to eat anything that's too heavy. So I'll eat like a bunch of baby carrots, which is nice because it fills me up before dinner so I don't eat as much dinner too. So
Yeah.
it's kind of a win-win. I really like that. And you especially like these crunchy banana slices.
Yeah,
from,
these are freeze-dried.
Trader
And
Joe's.
I love like those little baby ones. They didn't have them last time, but those little like baby ones, they're kind of chewy.
Yeah.
But these, my thing with this is there is so much sugar in these. Like too much sugar.
But there's
It's
no
scary.
added sugar.
I know, but this is 30 grams of sugar.
Bananas have a lot of sugar.
I
in
know.
it.
My other thing with this is that I feel like it sticks to my teeth sometimes, but they are so tasty. And this is good. Like, I usually have less than a serving. I'll just have like a handful of these when I just need a little something. But
Sometimes I
delicious.
like to make up a custom snack bowl, like if I can't decide on one snack.
It's like your very own acai... or no, Buddha snack bowl.
Buddha snack bowl. So like I really like crunchy cereals, and I like I used to like peanuts in there, but I can't eat peanuts anymore. So I like the roasted sunflower seeds are really good. Pepitas are really good.
This is a new fave.
These Bada Bean Bada Booms are unbelievably addicting and delicious.
Oh my god, this mesquite barbecue flavor, holy crap.
What's your favorite flavor out of the 3 that they have?
They're all winners. There's that one, there's the sea salt one, and the other one was like sweet sriracha, right?
Yeah, sweet sriracha. I have to say, though, my absolute favorite is the sea salt.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it a little bit plain.
Aldi really delivers on the snacks. They also have these Simply Nature crackers. So these are the butternut squash ones.
We also have sweet potato.
Cauliflower.
Yeah.
But these specifically, this is the sea salt one, which is great. But the other day we had the, it was like brown sugar and cinnamon. Oh my god! I usually bring these to either D&D or game night, and they're a hit. They're really good. And they're good to just snack on because you can have so many of them and it's only 100 calories. Right. 44 crackers, 100 calories.
Really? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I'm going to take note of that. That's like practically the whole box.
Very good. No, it's not. But
it's four
servings.
Sometimes I really don't want to eat something. I just need a drink. So other than coffee... or like a watered down lemonade, I really love this kefir or kefir water. It's pretty new. They started carrying it at Aldi's. I think they have 3 different flavors. One of them is pomegranate. I can't remember what the other one was, but I just tried this one yesterday. This flavor, peach pineapple. Nope, that's a lie. I tried the peach pineapple at Trader Joe's, and it was so delicious. Oh my god. It's like kombucha without the feet. It's delicious. Come on, admit it. Sometimes
I know. I don't drink kombucha.
Kombucha reminds me of like gross, sweaty feet.
All right. Well, let's just talk about a few bars real quick. So recently we tried the organic protein
Orgain
plant-based bar. And these are just delicious. It's only 150 calories. And I love having this like after I exercise or after I'm on the exercise bike.
Right.
So
little
good.
Recovery bar.
Yeah. But before I exercise or just like if I'm in a pinch and I need like a little snack.
This is a purse snack.
Made Good.
This is
I am
a great snack
obsessed
to
with
have in
Made
your
Good.
purse.
Yes.
And these are gluten-free, nut-free, and like free from
these are
the
free
major
of like
allergens.
all the major allergens. Yeah.
Yeah.
So delicious.
Those are great, and they come in a lot of different flavors. And if you've got kids, those are great kid-size bars. Like sometimes you give a kid a bar, and they're like, I don't want any more. That's the perfect size for a little pinhead like her.
All right. Well, those are our favorite snacks right now. Let us know in the comments what you guys like to snack on.
Yeah, I can't wait to find out because I'm sure I'm going to get a multitude of interesting answers, right? So subscribe if you like our Veganuary series. Oh no, it's coming to an end. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss the rest of the videos and beyond. And hit the bell for notifications so you can know immediately when a new video goes up.
Yes.
And throw it a like. Why not, right?
Yeah.
Let's go for the whole shebang
Spread
here.
the love.
Pay it forward. Thank you so much for watching and joining us for Veganuary. And until next time, much love.